Hey guys, Easy124 here, and today we are unboxing and setting up the S21 Ultra 5G. And we got two cases for it as well. And with that, let's get straight into the video. Alrighty, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to unbox these cases. This right here is the rugged armor case for the Galaxy S21 Ultra by Spigen. This video is not sponsored, by the way. And we shall just try and figure out, okay, that just pulls up. Professional unboxer. And the case comes out. So, this one's the rugged armor. That's that. On to the next case. This is the tough armor, which seems to have a stand. So, first of all, this one's just made out of rubber, whatever, flexi, got whatever material that is to shock absorb. This one, that's plastic. And it's got all that yellow stuff on the inside. Luckily, you won't be seeing that part. And it seems that it has a stand. Ba-doom. Alright, on to the part you all came here for. The S21 Ultra 5G. This is not nice. I'm standing up right now and hunched over. It's not pleasant. Alright, time to break the seals. And realize I don't, I'll be right back. And I'm back. I didn't actually go far. I just went over like 2 feet to my desk. Okay, this knife should work. I'm hoping. Yes. The seal has been broken. Now, time to take the phone out. If it will let me. I broke the seal, yeah, okay. Why is this not wanting to come out? I don't like shaking up the... Why am I professional unboxer? Here we go. So, there's a insert there. And here, is the phone. But I'm going to set that to the side and see what's in the box. So, there's that part. So let's see, a SIM card tray on the back, or removal or whatever. Don't mind that. And then paperwork and the cable. And no charging brick. And the funny part is, if we go over here, grab my Pixel 5 box, that came with the charging brick. And let's look here for a second. So, this box is longer, and it's barely thinner. Like, barely. So, did they really cut down on packaging? No, they did not. But whatever. We get what we get. I'll just put the unimportant stuff back in the box and struggle to open the box again because I'll be right back. I got everything back in the box. Now, it's time to do some peeling. Just gonna take the sticker off on the back that has an IMEI number so I can take this off. Beautiful. Ooh, that's nice. It seems to love my hand. Oh no, it's become one with the table. Yeah. Now, let's see. Does it got side plastic? Doesn't seem to. It might. Oh, it does. It definitely does. As you can tell, I've unboxed many phones before. I'm such good at unboxing phones. Plastic. Why? I'll be back. I have successfully removed the side plastic. Now, if we look at this here, we can see that's a nice, smooth, matte glass back, which seems already getting fingerprints. So, those are some massive cameras. Yep. And now, we will boot up the phone. There we go. Samsung Galaxy. Verizon. Starting Android. Can you focus, camera? I'll go grab my dad's phone. This is my dad's phone. By the way, I may have failed to mention that. I'm gonna go. Oh my god. I'm gonna go. We're gonna. Yep. Oh, just gonna. Well, that's it for that video. Thank you guys for watching, and the reason I'm in a weird location is because I'm kind of just making this outro really quick, because I couldn't do everything I wanted to in the video, so it's gonna be kind of weird and short, and yeah. With that, thank you guys for watching, comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!